What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing some new door sill plates. So I just got the Bronco back from the body shop. I had to have the passenger door repainted under warranty. There was a defect in the clear coat, and I got it back, and I can see that the door sill here is already all scratched, and I'm sure you can make this out on camera. So there's only so much I can do about it. I mean, it's gonna happen, especially being a Sasquatch. It's lifted up a little bit. Your boot's gonna kick it and stuff like that. So I went online and I found these on eBay, and they are ABS plastic door sill plates. So it's a little bit better, I think, than the vinyl that you put on here, and it also comes down and gives a little bit more of a protection, and it's obviously thicker. So it's basically just like this piece that we're going to add right here. So I think they're around $19 or $20. They're super reasonable. I will drop the link in the comment section below. So we're just gonna get them installed, see how they look, and hopefully this will help any of you guys that were debating on buying this product. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got them installed, as you can see here. They line up really nice. What I did was I centered it with the original piece right here. You can see it's centered right in between. So it'll still look good if you happen to take the doors off. It all looks like it's centered and kind of looks factory. The plastics match up perfectly. 19 bucks, can't beat it. Moment of truth. Let's see how the door closes. All right, closes good. Can't see her. And that's it. So let's go put on the other side. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps anyone who's interested in this product, and continue to follow for some more Bronco content.